Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to create an avatar with Instagram. So you have to just open the Instagram on the Android device or iOS. The solution are for both. You have to open the Instagram app, and you have to go to the profile icon on the top right. So when you have to go to the profile, and there is the option of edit profile, so you have to click to the edit profile. So on the profile on the right you have to see the avatar symbol. You have to click and create the avatar of your profile. So you have to click to create avatar of profile. So yes, so you have to know create new avatar, because this is the female, you have male. So you can both edit females for female and males for male. So you have to select the skin tone of yours and select the hairs and the clothes. So I will select random clothes of this two suited and continue. So your avatar is being updated and created, so you have to click to the next. So it will be loading, so people can find your avatar on your profile. So you see it will be updated. So this is how to create avatar on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.